Hello, nice to meet you. This is Fix Your English Fast 10-minute lessons. I'm Teacher Roberta from Speak More Fluent. Let's have fun learning English today. This is lesson 1. Fix your English sentence order in 10 minutes. Now, I have a student who can understand English very well, but she cannot make sentences when she speaks. And I have lots of students like that. That's why they take lessons with me. If you have this problem, let me show you how to fix it in 10 minutes. For example, my student says, she skiing go. Can you correct that? Or he to school once go. Can you fix that? Now, I understand her, but this is not correct English. So, let's fix this in a very simple way. Yes? Let's learn the simple English rule. English has a simple pattern. I'm sure you've heard me talk about this in my videos. Subject, verb, object. Example, she goes to work. She, subject. Goes, verb. To work, object. Subject is who does it, who is doing it. She. Verb is what's going on, what's the action, what's happening. Goes. Object, who or what gets it. To work, the place she goes to. Remember, the object gets the action. Here, work. It's where the action of going happens. She's going to work. That's where it's going to happen. Now, let's practice together, yes? Okay, I'll give you some examples, yes? She plays soccer. That's correct. He goes to school. That's correct. They watch movies. Simple sentences. Remember, the object gets the action here. Work is where the action of going happens. Now let's practice. Examples. She plays soccer. She, subject, plays, object, soccer. He goes to school. He, subject, verb, goes to school, object. They watch movies. Who are we talking about? They. What are they doing? Verb, watch. Movies. Where are they going? What are they going to do? They are going to the movies. Yes? So, the order does not change. Let's fix my students' sentences together. You want to try? Are you ready? Okay. Example 1. She skiing go. You try. Did you get it correct? She goes skiing. Example 2. You ready? He to school once go. Okay. Did you correct it? He wants to go to school. He wants to go to school. Do you see the difference? We follow the pattern. The rule does not change. Subject, verb, object. Now, let's practice. Now it's your turn. Get your pencil and paper and fix this sentence. Are you ready? Sentence 1. He to school go once. Did you correct it? He wants to go to school. Did you get it correct? Let's start sentence 2. They movie watch yesterday. They movie watch yesterday. You try. Ready? They watched a movie yesterday. They watched a movie yesterday. Now, say it out loud. This is how you improve. You have to practice. Say it with me. They watched a movie yesterday. Let's practice. Now, make your own sentence. Yes? Say, I want to, and make 3 sentences for me. Can you try? Okay, I will give you 3 sentences. You make 3 sentences. Ready? I want to learn English. 1 sentence. 2, I want to go to work. 3rd sentence, I want to visit my parents. Now, if your English words are in the wrong order, it's not because you are not smart. It's because no one taught you the correct pattern. Subject, verb, object. Once you fix your sentence order, your English will improve very fast. You have to practice this every day. Keep it simple. Make simple, short sentences. Yes? And before you know it, you'll be making 1,000 short sentences. If you want to practice with me, book a lesson below at speakmorefluent.com. I will help you fix your English step by step. I hope to see you in lesson 2. Thank you. Bye-bye.